Welcome back to Tooth and Tail, everyone. So, I have just started a new play session, actually, and if I recall correctly, the last thing I did... Let me think here. Yeah, in the last episode, we saw Bellafide fight to the ends and meet Hopper, and then we started playing as Hopper, and she did this. Ah yes, Snickery Liberation. We freed some prisoners from camps. And now it's time to go visit the marketplace in the skirts. So, let's see what the word on the street is.
Hey, Fleabait. I know the common folk love you, but I also know you got sticky fingers. You want to eat, you pay for it, you hear me? Loud and clear. Hey, Hopper, we going to war? I got some brothers saying this Bellafide fella's alright. We ain't got too much of a choice looking like. We starving, bud. Civilized way ain't helping us. And the KSR keep raiding the markets, locking us up. We gotta bring some justice for the common folk. Gotta get the common folk a seat at the table. We're with you, Hopper. Just tell us what you need and we're there for you. You know that. You wanna help? You talk to the brothers. We ain't a mob. What you selling, engineer? Engineer sells scrap. Engineer and low ask questions. Common folk want shrapnel for a landmine? Didn't the Serena bless her outlaw to sell landmines? Yeah, it's a good thing that engineer not selling them. Engineer just discussed possibility of landmine. Engineer love blessing Serena, just like everyone.
I love the engineers so much, dude.
What did it take to get the freight union to fight? What did it take to get the freight union to fight for the common folk? Meat. Ah, well, the common folk ain't got much of that to spare. We know. That's why we're sticking with the rich guy.
I don't like the looks of this. I'll deal with that in a second.
Hey, one arm, watch your back out there. KSR and Civilized got warrants running all under the desert, same as you. Don't go making trouble, Nubs. Matriarch may like you, but that doesn't mean we have to. Pro tip, Hopper. You get more meat if you skip the swine and go with the prisoner of war stuff. I'm all about that value.
I think that's a war crime, but I'm just gonna ignore it.
I'm just saying, I think the long coat way helps everyone. We should eat the weak. You mean the poor. Hey, no reason the common folk have to be poor. You see anyone wearing red getting out of the skirts anytime soon? Well, it's not a true free market yet. That's why the Civilized and the KSR have to go. I'll drink to that. To the collapse of the bicameral establishment. To democratic capitalism. To a capitalist democracy.
I wonder if their ideals may clash sometime down the line.
Hey, Hop, you need any ore? Nobody in the skirts can afford that stuff, bud. Besides, KSI's gonna raid this place if they know you're selling it. Longcoat Textiles here, straight out of Scrape Town, no KSR taxes. What do we do when war is over, Hopper? Well, for one, the Civilized won't be picking the meat no more. Then who is picking meat? You? We'll vote for it, just like the Serena's Council, bless her. Bless her. Damn Civilized never picked their own for harvest. That's gonna change real quick. Shave it all, huh? If it's any consolation, ain't nobody around here who doesn't have the little vampires.
Ah, yes, please. Alright. Just about done checking out the market here. GTR ain't open yet.
Discount ammo! No guarantees! Every shot's a thrill! If you hit something, it's skill. If you miss, blame the bullet. Unk says the last of the swine. Last of the swine! No cuts coming, folk! Hey, Hop. Unk here's running low on meat, and his cook is the best in the skirts. If he runs out, think you might give up a little more for the cause?
I already gave you an R. What more do you want?
What is this?
The free market flyer. Line starts here.
This is een Bellafide.
Alright. As much as I want to check up on Unk's swine supply, I don't like the look of this yellow cloak hanging around, so let's see what's going on.
Yeller says we sin. Yeller said we better off with Sage Maro picking the meat. Don't listen to her, bud. Civilized ain't gonna be around much longer. Maro's the only one sinning.
What is yon Zel?
He's the one picking good folk for the harvest over his own. When we win, we gonna be voting for the meat.
Alright, Snake, what do you got for me?
Yeah, blow yourself.
Surprised you show your face round here, Yellow Cloak. Civilized do not hide, sinner. We may be in declination, but I'll take your teeth soon enough.
Yeah.
Then where's Archimedes, huh? I'd like to have a word or two with him. The High Missionary just left Saloa. He preaches to the nomads of Lavacalo. He will not spare you, common folk. Your pitiful meat will rot in the sands with the rest of the sinners.
What is yon Zel yon here?
The sand kiln at Levakaloo. Alright. Getting our first mission in. Sorry that took so long. The nomads of the Levakaloo Desert are being converted to the civilized cause by Archimedes and his honeyed words. As their food spoils in the searing heat, I can't speak. Hopper's common folk mob marches across the sands to put them down. Destroy enemy gristmills, kill 40 enemies with Kasha. I'll try, but I'm not going to gun for heroics today. Water heals, food over 200 spoils in the sun, hot sand, all straight outside territory. Oh, I remember this mission. Okay, so 200 was a spoil, yeah. Okay, well, I'm gonna need food either way. I will burn to death in the desert if I stay out too long, but that's okay. Okay. Civilized Warrens ain't exactly up to much right now. Let's get home, let's plant on the farm. I see Archimedes! Oh, there he is, there he is. Okay. So he's definitely got more resources than we do. That's 4 gristmills straight up. Oh boy. Alright.
Revolution gotta start somewhere.
Let's see if we can lead a little preemptive strike here. Archimedes is doing the same. That is not what I want to see. Right. Cripples economy. Cripples economy. Losing squirrels. I have made a mistake. Okay. They are not gunning for me right now. Alright. Defense, 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 defense. Oh boy. Ah! Okay, I think I can take out some nomads right now. Yeah, they're just fighting me. Get them, squirrelies! We're good, we're good, we're good. This is bad. Okay, they're getting splatted. I have no water. Alright. Let's just get Kasha. Or Kasha, sorry. I need to take care of something here. Okay, well, the squirrels are going to die. That is how it's gonna go. Oh crap, oh crap. Pull back. I'm starting to think I might need to take a lot more tier 2 units to deal with the— oh no! Okay, we're kind of fine.
An happy day for the common folk.
Hopper, you and I will have to agree to disagree, but good enough. Alright. That is a fox on her way. Oh, no. Okay. This mission always screws me because I'm just not sure how to approach it every time. I'm just trying to deal with a few things here. Okay, without my chameleons dying, please. Oh crap. My wish was not granted, my chameleons are gone. Alright, call the freight union. There's no time limit, I just have to make sure that these guys don't snowball out of control. And Kasha is here to snipe. Alright, my farms are going fallow, and clearly I'm trying to play the desert long game, so let's get another grist mill up and let's go. Fox does not die. This is probably one of the worst defensive spots I could be in. They have the high ground. Here we go. Mo farms, mo snacks. Okay, we're starting to have a solid defense against their swarms. No, we're not. No, we're not. No, we're not. Okay, we're fine. Okay, we're fine. Just hold our ground. I think it'd be funny if I just, Hey, Kasha. Okay, get back, get back, get back, get back, get back. I forgot how funny Kasha was. She's hilarious. Completely ran out there. Alright, I need to expand. These guys. These guys. Something. Oh no. Well, that did not work. Now we expand. Alright, Kasha, get him. Get him. Get him, Kasha. Get him. Get him real good. Run back, Kasha. Run back. I need to spend money. Oh dear lord. At this point I'm starting to wonder if maybe just multiple Kashas is the best idea. Alright. We are in a good position for this now. So I'm just gonna let it happen. Okay, hold the front, hold the front, hold the front. Come on. We're good, we're good. Mine food is spoiling, I know, Hopper. To anyone who's an experienced Tooth and Tail player, I'm sorry. My grist mill's getting attacked. Oh, the fallow one? I don't need that. Oh yeah, I guess they just burned to death anyway. Mine food is spoiling still. Okay, come on, reinforcements, reinforcements. Screw it, we're getting another Kasha. I have nothing else to spend it on, so. Alright. Easily done. Okay, we can advance a bit. Take him out. The less nomads we have to deal with, the better. And oh my god. Okay, so I'm currently snowballing out of control on the food front, which is nice and all, but what do I do with this much? Alright, just gather more territory. Scout ahead. Here we go. Take him out! Okay, another strike, but we have the advantage. Kasha is going to pull back, snipe, pull back, and snipe. We are good. We got more units on the way. And I may as well take some of these farms. Alright, destroy their stuff. Back out of the heat. If they have no army, they have no chances. Oh crap, 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 crap. Oh yeah, we're good, we're good. My food is spoiling. Farms have gone fallow, that's okay. Alright, let's get another grist mill. None for you. Hey, I got heroic anyway. Alright, we've claimed the oasis. Let's use it to our advantage here. Alright, let's boogie. We're just gonna kill all of them. Territory claimed, everyone run back. Take a dip in the water if you need to, I don't care. Alright, gristmill acquired. This is it. I think this might be his last one. It was not. He doesn't have much territory left, so. More Kasha. Okay, more Kasha. Alright. This guy is hard to stomp out. We're gonna do it. There it is. I'm going to lose so many squirrels. Alright, Kasha, you hang back. Easy. Okay, I'm back in the skirts, and now that has been dealt with. So let's see if we can help Unk out with his swine at all.
Hopper, well met. This here's the last of the swine. Would you like a sample?
You know I would, Unc, but you gotta save it for the hungry.
You're an honorable woman, Hopper. Bellafide was right to ally with me.
Speaking of which, where'd the longcoats go? I heard he was planning to march into the city.
Yes. He left the ends and marches to the city center via Ragfall Road.
Wait, what? The civilized and KSR warrants crisscross all over them hills. He's gonna get himself killed.
Yeah.
I gotta get some folks together. We gotta go help him. Else this whole revolution's gonna end into fry pan.
Oh, baby! It's the siege of Ragfall Road. Okay. I reacted this way about Hollow in the Gut, and I'm gonna react this way about the siege of Ragfall Road. Another one of my favorite pieces of music in this game. Austin Wintory is insane. Objective: you and your ally must survive. Heroic finish with a net worth of 300 food. Okay. Bellafide's grand march into the city has led him right into a trap. The KSR and Civilized have joined forces, planning to rout him on Ragfall Road. If Arroyo is to survive, the common folk must come to his aid. Let's go.
The masses ain't to be wrestled with.
Bellafide's hanging out, I'm hanging out, we're all hanging out. It's nice. Oh, wait. Oh. It's the Warrens. No. Okay, I need nomads. I need nomads now.
Linyan Latalyon.
I just remembered what mission this is. Yeah, no, the enemy doesn't actually have any grist mills. They just kind of start appearing. Welcome to Whack-A-Mole! Or am I thinking of something different? Nope. No, I was thinking of the right thing. Okay, what if I just get Kasha in on this as fast as possible? Because, by gosh golly, this is going to be a mess. And I need a sniper. Alright, Kasha. I'm just gonna start claiming grist mills and getting food all over. Where are the enemies? I found them. Where? I need to know. Okay, there's more warrens popping up. Oh, this is up. Okay. I need this. I need that. My friend's farmers. Oh, crap. I need to deal with this immediately. Wing demons are bad. Gone. Okay. Bellafide's got turrets going on. Okay, we're all good. He came to my aid. Hopper and Bellafide do make a pretty good team. It's just kind of a shame how that they don't even necessarily agree on everything. Okay, Kasha, get ready, because here comes the fun. Fred's base is getting attacked from where? Oh, that is quite the attack. Oh god, Kasha, no. Oh god, Kasha, no. Do not let this happen to you. That is Bellafide's Warren, we're good. Ooh, I need to deal with this. Okay. There's a lot of volunteers that we're just going to take out because I don't want the enemy getting healed. Ooh, and we're going to have to deal with the Battletoads. Which Kasha's already doing. How nice of her. Oh crap, not the snakes. Oh, but Bellafide's going nuts. Mine farmer. Okay, Kasha, back away. I'm gonna keep it on Kasha. Another Kasha, why not? I mean, she's not even gonna have time to actually spawn in, but... Okay, let's deal with this. Oh, Bellafide's way ahead of us. Dang, dude, he's doing really good. Okay, we have this in the bag, no question. Nice. Okay, and I think that after those two missions, I am going to leave it off here for today. I didn't mean to get... I wasn't going for heroics, but I'll take them. So, now we have access to the meat train to see what's going on, and that is what I will check out next time. So thank you for joining me in the wonderful cannibal world of Tooth and Tail, and I will catch you next Tuesday for more of the same. So thank you, and I'll see you later.